That Variety Care is more than just a clinic or a health facility in Oklahoma City or in Oklahoma. I think that the opportunity that Variety Care brings to any community is helping to recreate the community. That what we're doing now is starting at a very basic, fundamental need, and that is to be healthy.
One great story that I have, it's not because it started off bad, and it's actually because it went great from the beginning. When I first started working here, I got to meet a patient. She was a pregnant patient, came in to start her prenatal care with us. And I seen this child from being a prenatal visit with her mom to being now almost a 9-year-old with no health issues. And those are the type of stories that you want to be able to share as well. The child that was born healthy with no health issues came in every year and got their vaccines and is currently living a happy life. And that's something that you definitely want to be able to talk about and tell everyone. This child is in good health condition because she came to Variety Care.
Well, for most of the years that we've both been around, our relationship has been a referral relationship where we refer clients to Variety and Variety refers clients to us, because we do similar but different things. But for the last 2 years we've had an even closer relationship in that we now have we've embedded our services at Variety Care on 10th Street. So it's benefiting both of us. We're both reaching more clients that we want to reach. I see these type of collaborations, though, they're going to be more and more and more of them, because there are a lot of people in need. That's just all there is to it.
I think until people see the inside of our facility, that they have no understanding of the capacities that exist within each one of our clinics. If people within this community understood that, I think they would be very proud to have Variety down the street. I think they might take their mothers there. I think they might take their kids there. Again, I think we are a model of what healthcare can be. And it exists where it exists right now because you have dedicated people wanting to take care of people who are doing without.
When I look, from a financial standpoint or from a time standpoint, I want to put my resources into a place where I'm going to get the biggest bang for my buck. And I know that Variety Care is that place.
Supporting Variety Care is a good investment in several different ways. There's obviously the moral issue of if you're motivated by families that are more vulnerable, having that security that comes with access to good health care is something that many of us would hope that other people can have. But there's also the fiscal issue of it is an investment in a comprehensive system that saves money for the system.
As I donate money, I always wonder, what are you doing with my money? I can tell you what we're doing dollar for dollar, it's incredibly impactful, and we have built the organization lean. We're trying to use every resource to the fullest extent possible.
An investment in Variety serves a great number of people at a low cost, and it provides quality care. You get to see the same doctor, you get to go to a healthcare home, and it's just the way that medical services need to be delivered.
Now we are, the thing that's really unique about Variety Care is that we can treat these patients and take care of their overall wellness, and leverage that money a lot better than most. Because our system is large, we have so many providers and services. We're able to really treat patients for less, and we can make that money go farther. So when you bring in that charitable money from the community, it really just makes that go farther.
Every gift matters to Variety, but I think the gifts that mean the most are those that come from the people who are giving from the heart.
When a patient who works hard and maybe works 2 jobs and has to pay rent and is sending their kids to school every day, and somehow they make ends meet every month after month, when that person reaches into his or her pocket and they somehow find a way to give another $5 or $10 beyond their expected copay, that means so much more than anything else.
I think that when someone asks me about gifts that matter and donations that matter, I like to think at Variety Care that we are not really asking for a donation, we're really asking for an investment. And I think that the gifts that people have generously given us over the years have really turned out to be an investment that they made, not only in a nonprofit, which we are, but really an investment in their own community, to make sure that people who are working hard but don't have insurance have access, to invest in better outcomes in Oklahoma, to invest in women who may not have access to prenatal care and end up with a healthy baby as opposed to a sick child. And without the community's support financially, we simply could not take care of the people that we do. There are people who come to Variety Care, they pay on a sliding scale, but their sliding fee in no way covers the cost of what we've been able to provide. And so without the community stepping up to help us, we would have to say no to some people. And I'm really just so grateful that we don't have to say no very often.